So let's talk about XCN. Its full name is Onyxcoin, and I'm sharing this project from quite some time now because it has a big viewership. And so far, things are going according to the plan. Stuff that I have been telling you is pretty much playing out very well. I told you that losing 2.2 cents only means one thing, that is the journey towards 1 cent. And we had a last hope at 1.8 cent. We have lost that, which was the area of double top. It's a gray dotted line. You wouldn't see it that much, but this was the last hope. Other than that, actually, if we were talking about the overall actual support, that is at 2.2 cents, only after achieving 2.2 cents, you can have a journey towards 3.3 and 5 cents. That was the bullish support. But right now, it has bled pretty well. It has gone down almost towards 1.4 cents. So the overall situation hasn't changed. On 15 minutes, if I look at it, it has created, this is a very irrelevant time frame. It's on 15 minutes, it doesn't matter, but the structure it is creating is a rising channel. It's a rising wedge actually. This structure is bearish. Even though it's rising, it's bearish because 70% of the time the structure breaks down. So the overall situation of the market is it's nothing different than what I have been discussing with you guys for I don't know how many weeks now. Month of Feb is supposed to be red. It is playing out like that. March needs to open red with a hope that March will be a green month. So it's good to start red and it's good to close a green. So the gameplay is working very well. And if we look at our favorite XCN, the favorite boy is on a perpetual downward trend without any confusion whatsoever. I can actually show you the line of it. We are following this beautiful resistance line as this thing has its journey, and throughout its journey it goes and it hits it. It doesn't do any confusions, and it clearly indicates even when it goes out, none of the two candle bodies close above this red line, and after that it only starts crapping itself by going down. So the overall situation of XCN is very straightforward. At 1.5 cent, there is a psychological support. It's a round number. Humans like 1 cent, 1.5 cent, 2 cent, 2.5 cents. They don't like numbers like 2.21 cent, stuff like that. They don't like random numbers. So according to the psyche of investors, they would be investing at 1.5 cent. But the actual support of TA is at 1 cent. That is where everyone will start going crazy, especially those who are in love with XCN. They would start thinking this is an opportunity they shouldn't miss, and they will start jumping onto it. At 1.5 cent, yes, it makes sense. It's a rounded number. Some people will buy it, and considering if it goes to 3 cents, it's 100% move for them. So they might be cooking something in their brain, and there might be some what do you call it, moon boys out there sharing crazy numbers on XCN. They might be selling $2, $5, stuff like that. I don't watch anyone, so I have no idea what the hell they are talking about, but I do know that if it is bringing me 1,000 views per video, they must be getting 30 to 40,000 views by selling snake oil and selling hopes and dreams to people. So I think that if it has that kind of audience behind it, and considering right now it is $500 million market cap or smaller than that, let's see what is its current market cap. It has bled pretty well. Let's see what is left behind. Yeah, it is a $500 million. It's $506 million right now. So it has bled pretty well. It has gone down from $1 billion and something to 500 million. So overall, things with XCN, like I said, is very straightforward. If it doesn't conquer 1.8 cent, that was the neckline, there is no upward journey. It can do dramas. I would assume it is on a journey towards 1 cent. Once it conquers 1.8 cents, stays above that for 2 days, I would assume that okay, now the downward bleeding is done and we're going to go up. If it doesn't do 1.8 cent, people can continue to buy on 1.5. I would still assume it will go to 1 cent, and that's XCN for you. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. you're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.